In this video I'm going to show you how to check Instagram reel views. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. First of all, open Instagram on your iPhone or Android, then make sure you are on professional mode. So then tap on profile icon and here select any reels on your Instagram, or you can select Instagram reel sections, then tap on reels like that, and here showing view inside, tap on view inside, and as you can see here showing all the informations. Here showing 928 play or views on React 39, and no comments and no share, and also no save. And if you are swipe up, and here showing reach plays 532, because 928 is combined Facebook with Instagram, and here showing only views from Instagram 532. And if you swipe up again, and here showing Facebook sections play 396 views from Facebook's. So total views 928. So that way you can check Instagram reel views. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.